Okay, so I just stumbled upon this smartstepper component for React that's meant to simplify multi-step forms. It's like a game changer.
Right? So it's integrated with React Hook Form, which is super handy for managing form state. I mean, that makes everything so much smoother.
Exactly. And the coolest part, it leverages a state machine for step management. Wait, that changes everything when it comes to navigation.
Totally. So you can track the current step more efficiently than traditional methods. It's like driving a car with GPS instead of a map.
Haha, that's a perfect analogy. Plus, the config-driven approach means all your step logic is defined in one place. No scattered code.
And that means less room for errors, right? You just set it up and everything cascades from that single config object.
Yes, like you define your navigation rules, and boom, it tells you where to go next based on the current data. So intuitive.
Oh, wow. And there's that feature where it automatically unregisters fields when you backtrack. No stale data messes.
Exactly. It's like having a smart assistant that knows when to clean up. That could save so many headaches.
Right? It essentially prevents validation issues by maintaining a clean form state. I can't believe more people don't use this.
Now, I'm trying to picture how easy it must be for users navigating those multi-step processes. Like a breeze.
Oh, and speaking of ease, the validation integrates with yup or zod for form fields. That's just brilliant.
Seriously, you get to define your validation rules and ensure everything is validated before you move on. How smart is that?
That gives me chills. It really addresses one of the biggest pain points in form building. Users hate validation errors mid-flow.
Right? And let's not ignore the UI customization part. You can build custom components for each step, which is so flexible.
Exactly. It means developers can keep the stepper functionality but tailor the UI to fit their design, like designing your own game.
Whoa, I love that. It's like creating a mini experience rather than just filling out boring forms.
Totally. The potential for onboarding flows, checkouts, you can turn tedious tasks into engaging experiences.
And did you see how it uses React context? That keeps everything neatly encapsulated and allows components to share state.
I did. It's like the Swiss Army knife for forms. Everything is interconnected without getting messy.
Love that. And just imagine how streamlined the whole web app can become if built correctly. So efficient.
For sure. And if you think about larger applications, maintaining user flow is vital, especially in e-commerce.
Yes. Create a killer checkout experience, and you might just boost conversions. That's wild.
So true. But here's where it gets interesting. If you can simplify the form process, you might also reduce cart abandonment.
Exactly. A seamless experience means users stick around longer, which is a win-win for everyone.
This could actually redefine how we think about user interaction with forms. It's like giving them control.
Right? And the personalization adds a warmth to a usually cold process. It's almost like a conversation.
Oh, now I get it. Forms are no longer just functional. They're becoming experiences. That's an exciting evolution.
Exactly. It's not just about getting inputs, it's about engaging with your users. How refreshing.
And think of all the applications this can have beyond commerce. Just imagine education or onboarding for software.
Wait, I hadn't even thought about that. It makes learning processes feel less daunting and more interactive.
Absolutely. Simplifying complex information can lead to better retention. This is groundbreaking.
Wow, I am so stoked about this. We're witnessing a shift in how we view forms in web design.
For sure, the designs will keep evolving, but this component feels like it's ahead of the curve. What a discovery.
And that's the beauty of it. It's pushing us to rethink the mundane and create experiences that matter.
Exactly. I'm just brainstorming all the possibilities now. Where do we even start implementing these ideas?
Well, I'm definitely diving into smartstepper. But here's the big question. How else can we enhance user interaction across platforms?
Oh, that's a thought-provoking angle. We've only scratched the surface of what's possible here.
Totally. Let's keep exploring how we can shake up conventional approaches. This is just the beginning.
I can't wait. Here's to more innovative discoveries and reimagining user experiences.
Absolutely. The future of forms is looking bright, and we're just getting warmed up.